Okay, Sydney's trying to do this to us. Okay, pull us. We're going. Whee! We didn't go very far. Hi, Miles. Whoa! Now she's trying to turn us. This like really hurts my back. How do you guys sit like this? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Oh. Oh, God. Ugh. Okay, now try to pull. Okay, now pull us up.
Hey, you're making it too hard.
Pull. Pull. Well, I get my legs worked out. Maybe you'll just have to push us backwards. Uh-oh. Okay, try. See, you can't get us. We're too heavy. Come on, doggy, help us. Hi. What's up, Roxy? Okay.